Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Minecraft an infinite craft game. So in order to do that, the first thing we need to do is to just put fire right here. And on this fire, we just need to add water. Now on the water, we have steam. Now let's head over and add some fire in here. Now we have here an engine. Next thing is we need to add in here the earth. And on the earth right here, we just need to add in a fire. Now we have lava. And now once we have lava right here, we just need to add in here water. So let's add water to the lava. We have now stone. So for the stone right here, we just need to add in here the wind. Now for the wind, we have here sand. So for this sand right here, the next thing we need to do is to just merge the sand with the engine. Now we have sandbox right here. Now on the sandbox right here, we already have that. Now let's create another element with earth. And then on the earth, let's add wind. Now we have here dust. So on the dust right here, let's add in earth again. And then we have here planet. The last step is to merge the planet with the sandbox. And now we have Minecraft. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!